The demand analysis is one of the most important elements of any market feasibility analysis. The challenge is that the more complicated the modeling becomes, the more likely there are to be deviations. As a result, over the last 30 years, our firm and myself personally have focused on using heuristic demand models that use a simplistic stratification for the purposes of determining what the net billable demand in fact might be. In the case of the Envision IT technology, we not only test the entry fee independent living, but we test the entire spectrum, including age-restricted rental multifamily, rental independent living, entry fee independent living, assisted living, and Alzheimer's assisted living dementia care facility net billable demand within the primary marketing area to determine what the ideal mix, remember the ideal development profile again, might in fact be. In the case of the entry fee ILF independent living facility demand quantification, we start with the income qualified households of the primary end user group, those making age 65 and older, or householders age 65 and older, who are earning $100,000 a year or more as being the basis for being qualified residents. This is then reduced to reflect the incidence rate of the population age 65 to 74 and age 75 plus that have reported disability rates of performing 2 or more instrumental activities of daily living, or IADLs, a day. From that, we derive what's known as gross demand, or TAM, total addressable market. From the total addressable market or gross demand pool, we then reduce that demand to reflect leasing up 100% of the available units within the market, with the addition of allowance for new construction coming into the market. The resulting computation is net demand, or served addressable market, SAM as it's sometimes called. We then use a hierarchical structure to project what net buildable demand is. In the Envision model, no program is allowed to have a penetration rate that exceeds 15%. Our preference is for projects and businesses that can demonstrate a market opportunity where the serviceable attainable market, or SOM, or net buildable demand, is less than 10%. This project qualified at that level with 223 units of net billable demand, or SOM, being found in the best case market area. This means that at this level, it's a pass. Thank you.